Hello and welcome, dear friends of process analysis. We are back today with a new YouTube video in which we have expanded our TimeStudy functionalities. Carrying out and evaluating setup analyses or potential analyses with more than 3 cameras is no problem with the TimeStudy T1 video analysis. You can easily access the films created with the TimeStudy T1 video analysis and thus evaluate several employees or work systems. After the analysis, you can use the Excel export configurator to create individual evaluation reports. And the best thing is that the result reports of the setup analyses or process analyses, such as work, assembly, and setup instructions, can be issued in multiple languages. Based on the Google or Microsoft translator, the texts can be translated into more than 100 different languages. Our customers have told us that the translations are not that bad. To begin with, we create a new process analysis and fill out the project data sheet. In this example, we will limit ourselves to the short form. This is explained in more detail in other TimeStudy YouTube videos. Before we start the analysis, we need to load the video films. We load the video films from 7 cameras that were used to film the assembly work at the 7 assembly workstations. When the videos are loaded, they are linked to the TimeStudy system. At the end, you will see a list of all the films that can then be selected for analysis. Now we carry out the analysis with the 7 video films. First, we select the film to be analyzed, then we define the process steps for the process sequences. Let's start with the first film and the evaluation of the assembly activities for the first work system. After the film has been loaded, the film is played up to the start point of the measurement. We look at the work system. Work system 1 is correct and does not need to be changed. Then the process step is defined. After the start point has been determined, the film is played up to the end point of the measurement and the end point is determined. Now the measured times are displayed in hundredths of a minute and in seconds. In the next step, we analyze the process steps of the second workstation that were filmed with the second camera. A new process step is created, the time type is selected, and the work system is changed to the second work system. The next 2 process steps are created in the same way. Now we analyze the process steps of the third workstation and then load a completed analysis. In the completed analysis, the 4th, 5th, and 6th workstations were also analyzed. Finally, we analyze the 7th and final workstation with the 7th video. In TimeStudy, all the required process steps can be created in advance so that they only need to be selected for the analysis. At the end, we would like to show you some reports that you can automatically create based on the analysis you have performed. The timesheet report is displayed below. In the second, we want to show you the Yamazumi diagram. We have only shown you 2 example reports. However, there are many more reports available in the TimeStudy system. With the Excel export configurator, you can create your own reports and link them to the TimeStudy system. We hope you enjoyed this short example of how to perform process analysis with more than 3 cameras. We would be happy to welcome you again soon to one of our next YouTube videos. Bye, take care, stay healthy, and until the next YouTube video, bye.